This is MK here, and I'm here to talk to you about something. Well, not talk to you, just like kind of update you a little bit. I know you want to know what's going on. I know you do. Nosy people out there. I bet you are. You're guilty, that's why you're not saying anything. But aside from that, I haven't made a video in a very long time. So here I am. I'm back. Like I said, I know you miss me. I know you do. In recent news, I've got metal. Not heavy metal like the music I was doing, but I have metal in my ears. I have this right there right here. I know you love it. I know you love it. This bad boy, industrial. 6 months of healing and care. Tender loving care. Washing and cleaning it 2 times a day and soaking it in salt water. Not just any salt, sea salt. Do not use table salt for your geniuses out there. Don't. And I got my lower lobes pierced again. I've been taking a walk on the outside. I usually have an dice on my hair. It didn't turn out too well, so no more of that. But never ever try to buy Manic Panic hair dye. That is a waste of time and money unless you're going to bleach your hair. I bleach my hair, but not to dye outrageous colors. I bleach it because I like it, brown blonde. Some for here, some for here. But that was a waste of $9.98 with tax $10.83. A total waste. And another piece of news. MK 2.0. I know you guys are wondering what 2.0 is. Some of you don't even know what MK is. MK is basically a graffiti name that I used to have. I wasn't very good at it, so I dropped the graffiti but kept the name. I use it towards writing and other pursuits. I'm a writer, I'm a filmmaker, I skateboard, do a lot of different stuff with my free time, and MK is alias, if you will. MK, Yasmin, whatever you may know me by. What you know by Yasmin? Don't call me anymore. Call me MK. And other news, besides me having metal, I'm hitting a couple heavy metal concerts this summer. Yeah, go me, go me. Cause I rock. No, I'm kidding. But my favorite part of rock concerts is the mosh pit, which also relates to my tattoo I'm getting on my back. Live by the way of the mosh. Awesome concept, awesome idea, just, a whole lot of pain because the needle will be essentially going over a lot of bones. So, I'm not sure if I'm ready for that type of pain. The piercing? All 5 of them, I was ready for it. Even this one that took 2 needles and I bled. And I thought it was cool. Except for the pop of the cartilage and the needle going through. It was 2 needles and I know you guys don't want to hear that. But anyway, 2.0, the new upgrade, like upgrading from AIM 5.0 to 6.0, 6.0 to 7.0, 2.0, the revolution, the rebirth, the change. Do not compare me to the person I used to be. Don't. You know why? Because I'll prove you wrong and test 10 satisfied. Another thing, I'm cool. I'm kidding, but I kind of think I am, because I'm so different now. Like, can you compare me to high school me and college me? 2 totally different people. They don't even look the same. They don't even dress the same. What happened to that girl? She died. But I'm trying to basically establish my individuality. So, no Aeropostale, no H&M, no Abercrombie, no Hollister, none of that bullshit. I don't wear it to begin with. I enjoy buying clothes from a thrift shop. Seriously. I enjoy being as odd and unique as possible. Odd me. And I'm also learning tricks on my skateboard. Sorry for jumping around, I'm kind of random. doing tricks on my skateboard. Learning how to ollie and manual. I haven't been able to really go out because if you live in New York, you know the weather is shitty, like 75% of the time, and the other 25% I'm at work. Those have been my two major issues lately, work and work. I'm never really home now, so I wonder if I have anything else to say. I wonder. But I'm stuck on this concept, this idea of 2.0, the revolutionary birth, the genesis. Yeah. I love the idea so much. You'll see more of this 2.0. I'm under construction. I just want to let you know that. And if you had something against me in the past, you kind of probably should let it go. Because I've let it go. I don't really care anymore. And the future looks way too bright anyway. Not to sound conceited and all, but aspiring filmmaker, aspiring psychologist, skateboarder. I do a lot of interesting things. I'm a very well-rounded person, as you know. And what else? That's all. And I'll let you
face. There is no future.